share it. Like, this is not something that I really, I feel like, hey, I gotta talk about this. I gotta talk about this because, you know, it is what it is. But like, it's something inside of me that's like, this has to be talked about. This has to be shared because I feel like there needs to be preparation done to some extent, you know? It's cold out this morning. This weather is crazy, to say the least. Okay, so I'm going to talk about what I have just been calling the event. And it's something that I believe is going to happen very, very soon. I don't know about an exact date. I'm not sure. But it's something that I've been feeling strongly and I've been talking about for a while now. The funny thing about it is, like, when you have dreams and you see things, timetables are weird, dude. Like, you know, you could have dreams for 10 years. You could have visions for, you know, for months, for decades, you know, and it's really hard to know exactly when something's going to happen. But lately, it's like the only way I can explain it is it's been very similar to, you know, those little doodads that you find them at like science exhibits and stuff, and it's basic to explain blah blah blah, gravity, blah blah blah. But basically, you know, you put the little quarter down or a coin, and it would go down the funnel, this like kind of wide, long funnel. And you know, it gets faster the closer it gets to the center. So in the beginning, it goes around, and then it goes around, and it goes around, and then it goes around, and it goes around. And the closer it gets to that center, to that epicenter, right, to that event horizon, it gets really, really fast. And I feel like we're at that event horizon. We're very close to it now. And you might ask, how do I know that? Well, I can see a lot of things. And one of the things that I can see on a nightly basis now is the entire nighttime landscape is shifting at night. It's changing. I have talked about this before many times in different capacities. Because I've always been, you know, like, compelled to share it. Like, this is not something that I really, I feel like, hey, I gotta talk about this. I gotta talk about this because, you know, it is what it is. But like, it's something inside of me that's like, this has to be talked about. This has to be shared because I feel like there needs to be preparation done to some extent.
somebody. So let me love you, let me touch your body. I'll make you feel okay, I'll take you to a place. So go with me, go with me, go with me, go with me, go with me. you, I'm gonna make you, I'm gonna make you mine. Just because things aren't easy doesn't mean they never will be. Try and smile through all the heartache. Just sleep on me, and together we'll wait. And I need you right by me for the rest of eternity. And there might be change, but I'll still be the same. And if you're not there,
off by a lap ladder. That's the way I want to go.
Come on over, baby.
Oh, yes, yes. Big up Mixcloud.
Over, baby.
Big up everyone locked in the chat. Spring Break Session 2024. Your host is Unit.
Look so good to me.